Creating a shortcut on your desktop is really easy. There are several ways of doing it. I'm going to show you a couple of my favorite ways. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to set a shortcut onto your desktop that takes you to a website. So one of the websites you probably use pretty often in District is Eduphoria. So I'll just get to the Eduphoria login page. And the trickiest part about this whole thing is you need to be able to see the URL and a little bit of your desktop background. So right now I've got it full screen and I can't see any of the background. So I'm going to come over into the upper right hand corner. I'm going to click the Restore Down button. It's the one in the middle. And it makes it a little bit smaller so that I can see some of that background. If it's not the right size, you can drag it around and you can change it from here. So I go up to the top of the internet window to my URL field. I need to click on the image that's right in front of the URL. So click on it and then I just simply drag it over to the desktop. When I let go, it pops the shortcut onto my desktop. It really couldn't be any easier. Now, I may not want it to say Eduphoria School Objects Login, so I can right click and rename it. And that gives me the ability to get rid of this and just name it Eduphoria. You can see that you could really name it anything. So when I close this, you'll notice I have this shortcut on my desktop. When I double click on it, it automatically opens that particular link. You could do this for your gradebook, you could do this for Eduphoria or any other site you visit pretty frequently. Another type of shortcut you might want to create is to a program that's loaded on your computer. So if you're going to want to open an email, you can go to the Start menu and you could click on Microsoft Outlook right now, but let's say you want to put that shortcut on your desktop. I choose All Programs. I have to find the application, Microsoft Office. Here's Microsoft Outlook 2010. You could use any of these. I right click on it, choose Send To, and in that flyaway menu it says Desktop Create Shortcut. Click on that, and there it is. Again, if I want to rename that for any reason, I right click on it and rename. I would probably leave it just like that. It's very easy to do. You can link to websites, you can link to applications, you can even link to documents you have saved in your computer.